Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077241 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and then copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy it, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. Over here, you can see pause update option. So hit pause over here. Now this process may take some time. And once it is paused, you can click on resume updates and then check. So click on resume updates over here and then you can check. Now still not working, then type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Then make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241. So it's KB5077241. And then click on search. Now over here, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. So check your version, then check your system type. So in Windows settings, you can go to system over here. Go to system, scroll down, go to about option. And then you check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. Now, for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And over here, you will see KB5077241. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings. Go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option over here. Scroll down at the bottom, click on Recovery option. And then here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use Media Creation Tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Media Creation Tool. Click on Download now. And then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file once the download is complete, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows. Now, so one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.